So what we have here is y equals mx plus b. Early on in your Algebra 1 career, you should be at least a little bit familiar with what this is. If for those who don't know, this is a formula for a linear equation, but that's not related to what we're doing here today. What we're doing here today is, let's say you're tasked with the task of isolating m. And to do that, we have to essentially just rewrite the formula where m is by itself. And to do that, we have to recognize the orders of operation. If you don't know the mnemonic, is PEMDAS, or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, or whatever works to memorize what this is. This is what you use to operate to find something else. But we're not exactly solving, we're more just isolating a variable by itself. And to do that, instead of going down this, we actually have to go up. So let's look at this. Y equals mx plus b. The first thing from bottom to up is addition or subtraction. What we see here is plus b, and to get rid of plus b, in order to isolate m, we subtract b. So plus b minus b is 0, and that gets rid of b. But the thing is, if we do this on one side, we also have to do it on the other side. So on the left side, we have y minus b. Sorry if my camera won't focus on that, but you can kind of see it anyway. So what we have on the left side is y minus b, and on the right side we have mx. Or if two variables are right next to each other, you multiply, and that just so happens to be the next step right here, multiply, divide. So to get rid of a multiplication operation, we have to divide. And since we're isolating m, we have to get rid of x. So to get rid of multiplying by x, you divide by x. Again, once you do this on one side, you have to do the other. So on the left side, we have y minus b over x equals m. And that's how you rewrite the formula to isolate m, or to kind of solve for m. Let's do a different equation like that. So this is the formula for area of a triangle. Instead of the last equation where it was only letters, we have one number here, 1 divided by 2, or 1/2. Now, let's say we have to isolate h. We have to get h by itself to rewrite the formula to have h just with nothing else. So start this out. We have 1/2, and to get rid of a fraction, we multiply it by its inverse. Inverse of 1/2 is 2 over 1, aka 2. If you can see it like that. And so to get rid of like I said, to get rid of a fraction, you multiply by 2. Let's multiply by 2 here, and since we do it over here, we have to do it over here as well. On the left side, we have 2 times a, and on the right side, we have, since these cancel out, we just have bh. And we said we were going to isolate h, like the equation before. To get rid of b times h, you divide by b. You do on this side, 2a over b on one side, and on the right side we have h. And that's how you solve for a variable.